I'll show you how to download and view the Epstein files. So you first want to just search for Epstein files download, and then make sure you click on the Department of Justice website, the .gov. And then once you're here, it'll ask you to confirm if you're 18 years or older. And then scroll down until you see all these different selections. So these all contain things you can view. However, most people would like to see the DOJ disclosures. Once you're here, scroll down, and these are more files you can view. And you're most likely interested in the Transparency Act files. So click this drop down, and you can see all the different data sets. So I'm just going to download dataset 12. I'm going to ask you to download it as a zip. I'm going to download it. So once it's been downloaded, I'm going to go to my file explorer, go to downloads, and you'll see that the file is zipped. Click on it and then right click and then press extract all. So now press extract. And then it's going to open up the file. So you can see that this is the zipped and this is the extracted. Click on the extracted one and you'll see volume 12. So open this, and there's a data and images file. The data one is not important. You want to click on the images. And open this. So all of these images can either be documents or they can be actual photos. So for example, I'll open this one, and you can see this one's been redacted,